So if you're struggling with managing your emails and there are a lot of emails, you have to somewhere start. This is an email account of my wife. It used to have around 5,000 emails, 100 emails. And when you reach that point, it is next to impossible to manage that and to clean it up. But I did manage it, and I'm going to show you how you can manage it as well. Now, 5,000 emails, 2,000 emails, if your situation is also like that, you have to understand one thing. These emails are not coming from different sources. There are multiple emails that are coming from the same source. Like if I can see here, it is coming from NSE alerts. So this type of email, it comes every day if you're trading. And similarly, if you have subscribed to some newsletter, they will be emailing you every day, and it piles up and becomes 5,000, 6,000 emails. So what you have to do is click one of the emails and then go to these three dots and then click on filter like these. So what it will do is it will filter all the emails, search for all the emails from your inbox that has come from this particular email. And there are other things you can add, but I would not suggest that currently. Just search for it and you will find all the emails. And now what you can do here is you can create a filter. Click on advanced and then click on create filter. Once you create filter, you can click on skip to inbox, which will archive it. It will not appear in inbox. And action here is if you want to keep that mail, but if you don't want to show it up in the inbox, you can apply a label. You can create a label or select from the pre-populated. I've created this trading, so I will select this one and then I will create filter. There are other options as well, like delete it immediately and forward it to some other email, but this one will work. When you create filter, from now on, all the email coming from this email address will skip your inbox and will go directly to their Gmail. Obviously, this will still take up your 15 GB of free storage Gmail provides. But what you can do is once in a week, go to this particular label called trading, and you will see all the emails and you can delete it or you can check it out. Similarly, what you can do is if you don't want to keep those emails, simply click here, go to filter and search for it. And whatever email that comes in, simply click select and it will all be selected and then delete. And this way you will be able to do it in few steps. Doesn't matter if your inbox has 5,000 or 6,000 or 8,000 emails. You have to sit down, give it 1 hour, half an hour, and it will be done. It's not impossible. Subscribe for more videos like this.